Hi to all of my eBay buyers. I wanted to show you the drone. First, the video of it just by itself, and then I'm gonna be filming it fly. So this is what it looks like. It's hard to tell. So this is where the crash happened. It ended up hitting here, and then the gimbal ended up, the rubbers ended up breaking off, and that actually made one of the ribbons also rip off. And I ended up replacing the ribbon, replaced the rubber mounts, and also replaced the top. So it's in good shape. I ended up flying it, and it works fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and get a video of that. So I went ahead and put the battery. Now the battery is not included. Neither is the SD card or the mini SD card. So let me go ahead and turn it on. All right, so the camera is now stabilized. As you can tell, if I move it, you see how it moves. So everything seems to be working fine. It's pretty sturdy, as you can see. The ribbon that broke was the ribbon that actually moves the motors for the camera. The next shot will be a flying shot. So here we go.